Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share why I've gone vegetarian. You've seen probably in the last few videos I've mentioned going vegetarian, but I haven't gone into more information about why and my thoughts and benefits and how long I'm going to be vegetarian for and all of that. So I thought I'd sit down and film a video to talk through it all, and as always I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which I go through all of my thoughts in a more coherent fashion than I do in the video, so that'll be down below for you. And so yeah, we'll talk today about why I'm vegetarian, and I'd also like to hear from you too, your thoughts on if you are vegetarian, why you decided to, and the benefits you've had, or if you have any other thoughts, any requests as well for vegetarian content you'd like me to share in future along my new vegetarian path. So firstly, why did I become vegetarian? Well, in a way I found like it kind of found me. The last few months I haven't enjoyed meat as much as I have. Chicken I haven't eaten in ages, and meat I haven't really been enjoying, and each time I have a meaty meal I've been saying to my family I feel like I should go vegetarian for a while, but then I thought, like, how can I not have meat? I've had it for 37 whatever years of my life, and how can I all of a sudden become vegetarian? And I just thought the only way to try is to just do it, and just do it one day at a time. And so that's kind of, I thought, well, I'll just try to be vegetarian for a day, have no meat, just be creative, have other meals and see how I feel. And that led to 2 days, 3 days, and I'm well over a month later now. And now a month later, and the time has just flown by. All the meals have been vegetarian friendly. I haven't had meat, chicken, fish, anything like that. I've been making sure all the cheese I've been buying is vegetarian friendly, and I've been enjoying the variety, enjoying having more veggies in my diet. So those are kind of the main benefits I've been enjoying, is all the vegetables. I've been having so much more fruit and vegetables than I have in so long. I've been experimenting with beans and other legumes, baked beans I've never really had before, and I've been enjoying them. I've been enjoying all kinds of delicious veggie meals which I may not have even thought of trying in the past. And another benefit I've enjoyed, which I'm not sure if it's from going vegetarian or from vitamins that I'm on, is I feel my nails, my skin, my hair is a bit healthier. But as I said, I'm also taking vitamins. I have, I don't really mention it in the videos, but I'm allergic to the sun, believe it or not, which is one of the reasons I moved from Australia to Ireland, where I live now, and I still suffer every time I go in the sun. So with the lead up to summer, I thought I'd take some vitamins to try and kind of just combat it. So I've been taking vitamin D and quercetin and some other vitamins as well, which has been helping my skin and nails feel better, and well, hopefully it'll also help my skin condition. But yeah, so I've definitely felt that, and I've felt healthier and lighter. And so yeah, those are kind of the benefits, as well as kind of not feeling quite so guilty about eating meat. I don't want to get too much into the ethical, environmental, because it's very personal, and I'm not going to be one of those preachy vegetarian vegans, but it definitely, I have a bit of a cleaner, lighter conscience knowing that I'm not eating animals, considering I love them so much. But yeah, there's plenty of activism channels for all that kind of thing. For me, it's just, I feel better. I hadn't felt like eating meat, and so yeah, that's kind of where I'm at the moment. And another question that I've been getting is my whole family vegetarian? And the answer is no. Only me, my husband, my kids, they are continuing with a regular diet. So it's just been me, and we've been going out for meals and been having regular food, but I just go for veggie, and I just have been making it for me, and I'm quite happy. They all continue doing what they want to do, and they all have been very supportive with me. My whole family's been very supportive and encouraging on this journey that I'm on. And another question that I've got is, have I craved meat? And the answer is no. I haven't craved it at all. Each time I prepare a meal for my family, I think, would I like some? And the answer is no. We were in Cornwall recently, and we were going to go and have fish and chips. So my husband had fish and chips. I had a halloumi burger that they had there. And I just thought, would I like some? We're in Cornwall, the fish and chips is the freshest, and just even looking at it on the menu, I just have no desire for it. So I'm quite happy just enjoying veggie meals. Haven't been so much enjoying all of the veggie sausages. I've been trying lots of different varieties of veggie sausages and meat substitute. Haven't been enjoying them really as much, so I've just kind of been preferring to just skip them altogether. My phone's going. don't know where I was, my phone rang. So yeah, I've been trying all different meat substitutes and I haven't really been enjoying even them as much. I'm quite happy just having loads of veggie meals and exploring meals with beans and vegetables, and I've been making a really yum bolognese using just mushrooms and a bit of wine and some dried mushrooms, and I've been absolutely loving that as well, instead of even trying different types of meat. But yeah, that's where I'm at, and going forward I see myself continuing to be vegetarian, but taking it a day at a time. I don't know whether this will be a permanent change in my life or just a temporary for another month, another year, have absolutely no idea, but I will continue sharing updates and my journey on this channel. So make sure you're subscribed to share where the road takes me. And I've been loving experimenting with vegetarian ingredients, and I've got so many recipes that I'm slowly working on that are in the pipeline to share with you, and I'm open to suggestions as well for what you would like me to create for you, what vegetarian recipes you'd like me to create. I'll happily do that. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post where I go through all of my thoughts more coherently and not interrupted by the phone then. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.